أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students of 10th class, today we are going to conclude our chapter Federalism. From the past few days we learned the term federalism, the federal and the unitary government, the Panchayati Raj in J&K, and local and urban bodies. We read all these lessons, all these topics. Now today we will learn local government then and now. Local government then and now, I mean to say then before 1992, and now means after 1992. Dear students, the local governments before 1992 were of different style, were of different than we see nowadays. Dear students, from our local level, we see when the elections are contested, the women folk is given importance, and there is a 33% reservation for women. Whether they are the elections of these local bodies, I mean to say panchayat elections, whether these are the urban local body these elections, whether these are the assembly or the parliament elections, 33% quota is meant for women folk. Before 1992, such a type of reservation was not seen, was not given to the women. So local government, the status of local government has changed after the 1992 resolution. Before 1992, the elections were not held regularly and were controlled by state government. It was up to the state government when it liked, when it desired to pave the path for the election. Sometimes it took, generally we had elections after 5 years, but in the past, before 1992, the elections were not contested, were not done regularly after 5 years. Sometimes it took 6 years, sometimes it took more than 6 years. Never were these contested at proper time due to the lacuna found in the governments. After 1992, an independent this organization was made that is known as the Election Commission of India. This organization, this department is only meant to chalk out the programs of elections in every state after a fixed period of time. Fixed period means we have these elections always held after 5 years. There were no reserved seats for women in local self-government bodies before 1992. Now we see some changes in the system of election. Now we have an independent state election commission that is responsible to hold regular elections after every 5 years. Now, as I already told you कि पहले ज़माने में 1992 से पहले जो इलेक्शंस हुआ करते थे, जो इंतखाबात हुआ करते थे, वो एक मुकर्रर वक्त पर नहीं हुआ करते थे और औरतों के लिए इसमें कोई गुंजाइश नहीं रखी गई थी जैसे कि आज रखी गई है। औरत तो लड़ सकती थी लेकिन बहुत कम। आज तो इनके लिए एक रिजर्वेशन रखी हुई है, 33% रिजर्वेशन रखी गई है, यानी कि 33% जहाँ पर इलेक्शन होने जा रहा है, अगर वहाँ पर 100 सीटें हैं, 100 सीटों में से 33 सीटें औरतों के लिए मखसूस है। दिस इज़ द रिजर्वेशन। तो ऐसा 1992 से पहले नहीं हुआ है। तो 1992 की डेट जो है इस तरह से ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट डेट है, बहुत अहमियत की हामिल है, क्योंकि उस तारीख से, उस साल से एक तो ये औरतों के लिए एक रिजर्वेशन रखी गई 33%, और दूसरी बात यह है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया जो है इसको मुंतखब किया गया ताकि ये डिपार्टमेंट खुद देख ले कि कहाँ पर इलेक्शन कब करवाने हैं। तो इस तरह से ये जो है लोकल गवर्नमेंट then and now it has changed a lot, and the style of government has changed, and now elections are held in every after the completion of the fixed time, that is the 5 years. So my dear students, now you know local governments and state governments or the central governments before 1992 and now, or we can say governments then and now. Hope that you might have understood this topic, this today's lesson. Let us go ahead inshallah tomorrow. Thank you very much.